In this video, you'll learn how to add initials in Docusign. We'll go step by step, keeping things simple and clear so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to place initial fields where you want them and make sure they're assigned to the right person. First, you'll want to open your document in the Docusign editing view. This usually happens right after you upload a file and start setting up your envelope, or when you choose to edit an existing document. Look for the option that lets you prepare or edit fields on the document. When you're in the correct place, you should see your document in the middle of the screen, with a toolbar or panel on one side that contains different types of fields like signatures, dates, text boxes, and initials. Now focus on finding the initials field in that panel. It's usually labeled clearly as initials and may have an icon that looks like a small signature or the letters in. This is the field you'll use whenever you want a signer to place their initials instead of a full signature. Choosing initials rather than a full signature is useful for things like acknowledging specific clauses, confirming changes, or approving certain sections without requiring a full sign-off each time. Once you've located the initials field, click on it to select it. After it's selected, your cursor will be ready to place that field on the document. Move your cursor over the page to the spot where you want the initials to appear. For example, this might be at the bottom of a paragraph, next to a checkbox, or at the bottom corner of each page where you need a quick confirmation from the signer. To position the field, click and drag the initials field from the panel onto your document. As you drag it, you'll usually see an outline or a small box showing where the field will land. Release your mouse when the box is approximately in the spot you want. You can fine-tune the placement by clicking and dragging the field again until it lines up exactly where it needs to be. Take a moment to align it neatly with any text or lines nearby so the document looks professional and is easy for the signer to understand. If you need initials in more than one place, repeat this process. Select the initials field again and drag additional fields to other locations on the document. It's common to place initials on multiple pages or at multiple key sections, so don't hesitate to add as many as your workflow requires. Finally, you need to assign each initials field to the correct recipient. This tells Docusign who is responsible for filling in that particular field. With the initials box selected, look for an option that lets you choose a recipient, often through a drop-down menu showing the people you've added to the envelope. Select the person who should initial that spot. If you have multiple recipients, make sure you carefully assign each field to the right one so there's no confusion when they open the document. Once all your initials fields are placed and assigned, review the document from top to bottom. Confirm that every initial field is where it should be and that each one is linked to the right signer. After that, you're ready to send your document, confident that everyone will know exactly where to initial.